Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. I am Mustafa. In this video, I'd like to go through about a short lecture through Islam. I came up with a lecture today. I decided to have a lecture about. I would like to announce you that Ramadan is coming soon. So I'd like to talk about preparing through Ramadan. What do you guys do Ramadan? Ramadan is the month of Quran and the month of fasting. وصوم Ramadan, it means you have to fast in the month of Ramadan. So it's a fact for you guys to fast. We have a sunnah month that you can fast, but I'll talk about that later because Ramadan is coming really soon. Because most of you guys are really listening to music. So in Islam, dear Muslims, we only advised to pray, to focus on the five salahs. You have Dur, Maghrib, Asr, Isha. For the five, if you guys pray, you have a benefit. Allah will bless you. So if you even after the salah, you can pray to Allah for ask whatever you want to, any wish you want to do. In that case, Ramadan is more special than as you fasting. You have to start reading your Quran. You have to avoid listening to the musics. Just know that shaitans and the jinns are already locked. They are locked on that day. The Jannah is already opened for us. So it's a blessing month. We also have other blessing months, but due to Ramadan, is only very important for all Muslims to fast, for the grown up man. So you know what you're supposed to do when you're fasting. Yes. So I don't want to say because you guys as you are fasting, you start the month of Quran. شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن is the month of Quran. So you should focus on reciting Quran. We want all the Quran wants to read, and we have a sunnah that can only perform in Ramadan. Taraweeh. Taraweeh has a 20 rak'at as you guys praying, and 20 rak'at for the early people of the Islam has already established for 20. But the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is that he never prayed in the month of Ramadan more than 11 rak'at. So he prayed 8 rak'at and the 3 of witr. It's a sunnah that you get a thawab as well. So in that case, you have to avoid. You should focus on the Quran. You should pray. You should even ask dua for everything, any wish you want to do. So in your iftar, it's what you in the good ways of breaking fast. While it is in Ramadan, is you start with dates. If it's not available, you can start with water. So as a matter of eating food, you should prepare before eating, before the adhan starts during iftar. So you replace every book, every table, every food on the table. You place it on your table as well, as it can be easier. So while you hear the adhan, you start with dates. Then you can whatever anything you want to eat. You can eat rice, hamburger, so on. So anything that you want to do. So that's all for today. I'd like to talk about, because most of us we should think of Allah, because He's the only true God. Because He's the only one who can touch us with illness. There's no one else who is putting you illness. It's Allah. He's the only one who is putting you illness. So there's no one else who can take it out. You can only miss the fast if you are sick, or for the females if on their time, if they are not able to fast, or not able even to pray at that time. But then after the Ramadan, you have to cover the days that you missed. It is really important. If you just do it intentional, if you just miss fasting intentional, you'll be asked, why don't you fast in the month of Ramadan? You can even after Ramadan, you can even fast after the Eid. You can even fast the Shawwal. So I'd like to upload another project in the month of Ramadan, inshallah, if I'm available with that. So it's the month, one of the most blessed month. Then you have the night prayer, Salatu Taraweeh, and then we have Tahajjud, the 10 days of Ramadan. So I wish all you guys having all the best in the Ramadan. Read your Quran, everything that you can do. Avoid listening to music. Avoid using the avoid. I mean, avoid putting makeups or what else you guys do as a bad habit. So as a good habit you do, I wish all the best. So I like to end up in a good video. So make sure you subscribe and thumbs up. See you in the next video.